Dear passengers, welcome aboard. Firstly, I wish you a good journey. Now I'd like to introduce the safety instruction for bus riding and driving. For the safety of you and other passengers, it is prohibited to carry inflammable and explosive materials aboard. No explosive materials. No radioactive materials and containers. No corrosive and toxic items. No inflammable items. If you have carried dangerous items or found or suspected other passengers carrying such items, please contact the driver immediately. Please put the luggage in the luggage rack correctly to prevent it from falling. If the seat belt is available on your seat, please fasten your seat belt during the riding. Insert the latch of the seat belt into the buckle. To release the seat belt, please press the red button and pull out the latch. Don't operate the driving facilities and service doors, and do not walk into the compartment and chat with drivers when the bus is running, so as not to disturb the safe driving of drivers. If you want to move during the riding, please be careful. Emergency switch inside and outside the bus near the service doors. Open the cover of the emergency switch and turn the switch according to the pointed direction. Then push the service door outwards. Use the emergency hammer on the window pillar to strike the window glass, except the front windscreen. Hold the emergency hammer firmly and strike the window glass. Note, the correct striking point is the edges of the window glass. Escape from the roof hatch. Open the cover of the switch. Turn it to the opening position and push upwards. The fire extinguisher is usually located near the driver or co-driver seat with apparent signs. Pull out the safety pin, press the switch, and splay the root of the flame. Escape tips. Calm down when an emergency occurs. Make emergency calls for help. Use the above escape ways. Don't be panic, and please follow the command of the driver. Special note: all the safety devices can only be used under emergencies. Don't use them in non-emergencies to avoid the occurrence of any danger. Now I'd like to introduce the safety instruction for driving. Since safe driving is the most important part of the road transport, drivers are the crucial factor of safe driving. DUI, fatigue driving, driving in illness, and driving with a bad mood are prohibited. Check the status of the vehicle before driving to ensure that the vehicle is in good condition. Abnormal sound, odor, and handling shall not appear. Check fuel, oil, lubricants, and antifreeze. Check oil pressure, voltage, tire pressure, and air pressure, and start the engine to conduct the self-test. Always keep the concentration and prejudging ability on the surrounding environment. Strictly abide by the traffic rules and drive safely and carefully. In case of emergency, the driver shall keep calm and guide passengers to escape safely. Thank you again for taking our bus and wish you a good journey.